Today we are going to see how to use Google Forms as a quiz. So first, what you have to log in as a Gmail. After that, open a new window over here. You have to find out the google.com. In that you have to find out Google Forms. Click on that, you will get the Google Forms. It is for personal. You can open it. After that, click on blank forms. Okay, now you have to use it as a quiz. So you have to go to the setting and click on here quizzes and click on this menu quick. It is for quiz. So quiz options, immediately after submission you have to click on that miss questions and save it. After that you have to give the form, what is the name of the quiz. If you want email you can keep it, otherwise you can remove this from here, general, remove this email, save it, it will go. Okay, now add the questions. I already have this, told you how to add these forms. So I made a quiz that I show you here right now. See, it is in Drive. I made a quiz for the angle quiz. Okay, now see, I made a Saraswati Mandir. The name of the quiz is given over here, and same way you have to make the add the questions. You have to give the options for here. After giving the options, here one more thing is answer key. You have to click on that answer key. So answer key will be comes to you and you have to select this answer. You have to give the point over here, how many points you are given for that point, and click it done. Okay, go to the next. Again you will add the new point over here. You can see here measure of a zero angle. Measure of zero angle is given here. Measure of zero angle is written as dash dash dash. I have given the answer for that and using the drop down menu 180 degree, 180, 160, 0 degree, and I selected as a this is the answer key. See here answer key, clicking on that you will get the answer key. Make the point, done it and save it. After saving all the questions, again you can preview what is the test shows you here. It is angle. See, angle is called reflex angle. Then choose here measure of angle, that is given here, and this is a short quiz, short questions quiz. I made it here. It is checkbox I am given, and after viewing this preview is correct, you can close it and again go to the send. Like forms, again this pop-up window will comes to you. You can share it with email if you want. If you want link, then link is here. It is too long again, so short it by clicking on this window. Copy this and paste it whenever you want to paste, wherever you want to paste. Okay, it may be on WhatsApp or Instagram, and after sending it, the response, you can see the response. Right now I am not presenting this to anyone, so there is no response. You will get the response from the student and you will get the response like the these forms. I will show you how it was the response. See here, you can check it how it is in graphical presentation also, you will see. Okay, if you want a Excel of it, you can get it in Excel. If you want to know that, then you can go for Excel sheet. I have it already, but basic concepts here. The Excel sheet is in front of you. You will get all the details, how many of the students are presenting this, how many of you are getting to answer your questions. By all the details you can share with your friends or your students. Thank you.